Our main aim is conservation, research and monitoring of our biodiversity. We are monitoring our elephants, our large carnivores, our boreholes, the ecosystem, and we're engaging with the communities.
We are here to restore our ecosystem. By us going into the field and tracking all those animals, we are protecting our animals. We are looking at the health of the animals. How best can we make the environment so conducive for the animals? It is our responsibility as humans to protect our environment. We are also uplifting our livelihoods from conservation because we are getting jobs, we are getting raw materials from those conservation areas. If the ecosystem is not healthy for the animals, then we are most likely to have negative impacts, and then this means we might lose our ecosystem in a devastating way, and we are there trying to protect the little that we have. We are saying we have already faced the effects, and now we are trying to minimize those effects.
I love being in the field. I'm able to know what's really happening. So it's more of finding the problems and being able to have the solutions to implement. And I'm really grateful for Great Brains. Like, I have that opportunity.